Explore cost-effective yet reliable dent repair options that help car owners restore their vehicle's appearance and value without breaking the bank. It emphasizes that cost-effective repairs don't have to compromise quality if the right techniques, tools, and professionals are used. It first highlights the importance of quality dent repair, noting that even minor dents can lower a car's resale value and, if left untreated, may lead to rust or corrosion. Investing in professional repair helps maintain both aesthetics and long-term value. It highlights Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, as an affordable method that preserves factory paint without sanding or fillers. PDR costs $75 to $150 per dent for minor, paint-free damage, while DIY kits, $20 to $60, suit small dents but need careful handling. For professional repairs, compare local shops, check reviews, seek clear quotes, and choose certified technicians. Warranties provide added assurance. It warns that cheap repairs using poor materials or unskilled technicians can cause lasting damage and higher future costs. Affordable doesn't mean inferior. Choosing skilled technicians and methods like PDR ensures lasting quality and preserves your car's value. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerxPaintlessDentRepair.com.